Hello guys, Gamer here. So a lot of people don't know how to update the ROM, so I'm going to be explaining how to update the ROM and a couple of other problems people are having. So if you want to update the ROM, you're going to need to download the new version of the ROM. So if you go to my Black in Dragon Ball Z Team training video, you can get the link to it and download it. So basically you need to go to the ROM itself, alright? So since my ROM is in downloads, I would have to go to the folder downloads, which is all the way up here. Alright, so I have the saves right here that are actually for the game, but I got these and I'm going to show you how. So what you need to do, you need to go to the file, like the actual ROM. You need to go to rename. So you could either do this two ways, but just do it this way. Copy and paste this name, alright? Copy this name. And you need to go to the actual My Boy folder, which should be on device storage unless you transferred it to your SD card. But it should be on your device. You need to go to the My Boy folder, which is right here. You need to go to save. So, as you can see, I have my state 1 PNG and the state 1, the actual file for it, alright? So, if you have the older version, you're going to have these saves, alright? What you need to do is rename these saves to the same exact thing as the new ROM, alright? As you can see, Dragon Ball Z Team Training version 4. I do have the old saves, alright? But I can't really rename it because I already have a save file in this spot, so it would be kind of pointless to do that. But as you can see, over here should be a little bit downwards. I have the actual old saves for it. Where is it? I think it's a little bit up more because I do have my older saves. Yup, right here, alright? Dragon Ball Z Team Training. This is not version 4. This is the version beforehand. State 3 PNG and the normal state 3, which is for the picture, alright? So if you rename the PNG and the state for the PNG, so you have to rename this and you have to rename this, alright? Rename those two files and then you should have your save data inside of your new version, alright? That's all you got to do. And here's been another problem that people have been having. I don't know if you're using Android for iPhone, or I don't know which one you're using. So this is for Android users, alright? I'll get into the iPhone users in a second. So this should be somewhere in the settings for iPhone users too, but some people are having a problem like saving internally for the game. So, this is what you need to do. Alright? You need to go to Advanced. You need to go to Cartridge Save Type. And you need to switch to Flash 128K. Alright? And this is before you even get the game. You should already do this. Switch it. What happened with me was, I actually used to have one of my older devices and I didn't switch to Flash 128K. So I had to start from the fucking beginning and it was annoying. But if you switch to Flash 128K and you basically exit out of everything, it should work. Alright, it should work. But for me it wasn't working, but it should work for you if you just switch to Flash 128K. If it's not saving internally, exit out of everything, even restart your phone if you have to, and just go back into the ROM, and it should be the same thing for the iPhone users as well. And someone else had a complaint that when they got to the Elite 4 it froze. I think the reason why it froze is either because it's an older version and it might just be a little glitch and you might just need to update it. That's all you really need to do. So just get your save and follow my steps. All you need to do is rename the files like I said, transfer it over, and then see if it freezes then. If it still freezes, then it might just be your data and you might have to start all over. I'm sorry, but if it freezes, you might just have to start all over. I mean, it's not really that big of a deal. If you really want to start all over and go through the game, you can just use Goku, because Goku makes your life much easier. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video for today. This should fix most of your problems. If you have any other complaints, just let me know, and I will tell you everything that I know, anything that I can find out. Hope you guys have a nice day. This has been Also Gamer.